Hey everybody, Mark here with Imhoff Painting. We're out here in Arvada and we're working on this kitchen cabinet system. And in order to do this properly, we used our PVC framework and built a tent. And I'm going to give you a look. So this is all PVC. It's all, some of it's taped together to make it more sturdy, but you can see we got our filtration in there, our zipper doors. Let's give you a quick look here. At the inside, everything is masked off for this system, ready to go. Got our air mover over there, and if you come around here, there's our compressor for our cup gun. And there's our little air mover, and that sucks the air right outside. So, there you go. Appreciate you taking a look. Have a good day.